USDT overview. Trading style: spot. Time frame: midterm. Margin mode: isolated. Signal type: swing trade. Target time frame: approximately 1 month between take profits. We recommend entering after a pullback. Entry point: 39.28 to 41.47. Take profit targets: Target 1, 44.90. Target 2, 52.40. Target 3, 57.87. Target 4, 63.26. Target 5, 75.78. Stop level: 27.21. Trailing stop loss. Consider trailing your stop loss to your entry point or previous take profit level after reaching any take profit target. This helps lock in profits and minimizes losses if the market reverses. Risk management. We recommend allocating 2 to 3% of your capital for spot trading to maximize participation while controlling risk. Disclaimer: this analysis is provided for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice. Do your own research and use a proper risk management strategy before making any trades. There is no guarantee of success in cryptocurrency trading, and you may lose all or part of your investment.